Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see speech on National Army Day. Good morning everyone. Today we gather to celebrate National Army Day, a day to honor the bravery, dedication and sacrifices of our soldiers. They stand as the shield of our nation, protecting our sovereignty and ensuring our safety often at great personal cost. Let us remember their selfless service and express our deepest gratitude for their unwavering commitment. They inspire us with their courage and remind us of the importance of unity and patriotism. On this special day, let us pledge to support and respect our army and work towards building a stronger united nation. Jai Hind. Thank you. Thank you watching my video.